Alright, that didn't go as smooth as I thought it would go. So whatever. Stuff is always on the floor here at the house. Yeah, so today is episode 3. Stay tuned, check it out, let's go. Today I'm going to review the DJI Osmo Gimbal, which is a mobile phone gimbal, the stabilizer for your phone. So you can video footage, get some cool videos without a bunch of herky-jerky and shaking and stuff. So let's get ready for it. I got a video coming up of me using this gimbal. Hopefully you like it. It's at a Korean festival that me and my family go to every year. And this is back in October. So check it out. Stay tuned. Let's go. This is the DJI Osmo Mobile 2 gimbal, used to stabilize your phone and to give you smooth and buttery footage that you can use. This right here is the bracket that you put your smartphone in. Fits pretty well. You can change it up to make it fit whatever phone size you need. However, this recent wave of huge phones doesn't really work. I mean, it works with the gimbal, but you have to take your case off, especially if you have an OtterBox case like me. Otherwise, it won't balance well. So if there's a counterweight out there that you can use for this gimbal, please let me know. I haven't found one yet, but I would love to use a counterweight for this, just so I can keep my case on my phone. So right now, I'm just getting it in place. All right, there you go. Calibrate it. What you do is you hold down the power button for 2 seconds, and it should turn on. Here you go, and stabilize your phone instantly. 1, 2, boop. There you go. Activated. And you can go from left to right and to keep your phone balanced. No shake, no bounce. It's awesome. And you can use the joystick to go from the left and right. You can go up and down. There's no full 360 degree turn. It gets close to it, but there is a stopping point on the back of the gimbal that you will hit once you rotate it enough. So you have to go back around. I wish it could go around 360. That'd be great for time-lapse shots. That'd be awesome. But, you know, can't get everything that you want. All right, up and down. I bought an iPhone XS Max when it came out, and that thing has really good video, so it's fun just shooting family videos with it. As you can see, I shot the Korean festival video with it. I bought this for $130 or $40 from the Apple Store, and maybe the price has dropped by now, but I know it's $124 at Amazon, so you can pick it up at Amazon. Hold down the button for 2 more seconds, and there you go. Boom, it drops. Turns right off. So there you go. It's a simple gimbal. Stay tuned for next episode. This is Brandon Miller. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell just so you can be notified when I drop new videos. Until next time, family, much love to you and yours. Peace.